how to check Target REDcard application status. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step how to check your Target REDcard application status. So let's just get started. First of all, what you can do is you can visit the Target website. For that, head over to target.com on your browser, any of the browser available, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now, what you may do next is you may look out for the login option, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. You can tap on it right before card option, tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding sign in or create option. Tap on that option right here. And you will be taken to the sign in page of target.com where you can log in into your account. So here, just go ahead and type your email or phone number that you use in order to create your account and log in into your account. After you're logged in into your account, you can locate the section within Target, which is uh, where you can look out for card section, which may be under your account settings or dedicated account options within your Target. And alternatively, you can look out for the option to check the application status or manage your Target Circle card. Or you may head over to another website of Target, which is Manage My Target Circle card. For that, you can head over and search Target Circle, and you will be finding this page right here. You may just go ahead and look out for this option called Manage Credit Card or Debit Account. Tap on it, and there you may just go ahead and log in into your account from that section as well. And from there, you can just go ahead and check the Target Red Card application status. Otherwise, we can also contact the Target customer service directly for assistance. You can just go ahead and look out for like the assistance of Target. In that way, also you should be able to check Target Red Card application status very easily. And that is it. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method if you wanna check your status. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.